Hello everybody, I'm Abha Singla.
Hello everyone, my name is Varsha.
Hi, this is Rupa.
Hi everyone,
Hi everybody.
I'll be summarizing the lecture that happened on Monday this week, and the lecture was on the product backlog management. So we learned about what is product backlog. Product backlog, it's like the requirements or the future releases that's needed, and it's like an iceberg with smaller requirements of the products, and we prioritize these requirements and work on the high priority requirements first. So when and these are called the sprints. The sprint is a particular time limit which cannot be more than 2 to 4 weeks, and the high priority requirements, they are worked on first, they are analyzed, documented, then after testing they are being released.
And I'm going to share a summary of our last week's Monday session where we discuss about the product backlog management is. So product backlog is nothing but the set of requirements or the set of features or functionalities that is to be worked upon, and the whole creation and prioritization of product backlog is done by product owner. This role is usually performed by a person who has knowledge of overall processes in the company and who is really good in handling customers. By customers, I mean overall the clients. So in product backlog, the product owner has to be very cautious because then he need to discuss with the customer, I mean the overall stakeholders, and I would say client, the language which is understood by them, and he should not be using more technical jargon, as well as the requirement should be understood equally and properly by everyone who is part of the product backlog. Estimation of the requirement, those are to be worked upon, is done by the development team, and since they are the one who are going to work upon it, they know very well how much time it will take to build those features. So the estimation part is taken care by development team, and depending upon the estimation shared by them, the prioritization of product backlog is done by product owner, and it is also decided that which item will be considered in the next sprint.
I'm summarizing the Monday session. The Monday we are discussed about the story cases. In every sprint we have to create the user story cases. Every user story cases, some point should be there. That is 1 to 8. The 1 means it is the shorter user story case, and 8 means it is the bigger one. So compulsory every user story we have to give the points. Every sprint we have to create the new user story cases, and every user story cases we have to give the points. And after that, what is BA? BA means business analyst. In every company, the business analyst, he is the key role of the project, and he analyzes the project, he assigned to the complexity of the features, and he is the main he analyzes and structure of the business.
The overview of the Monday session, what we learn about estimation and the business analysis. So the estimation is done by the entire team during the sprint planning meeting. There are certain ways to do the estimation to define the complexity of the features or the user stories. The method include the story point, the planning poker, the t-shirt size, estimation, the dot voting, and the Delphi experience based method. So the purpose of this using estimation technique that we will draw from the product backlog to the sprint backlog the highest priority first, so that we can assess hours later. So the estimation is nothing but the defining and assessing complexity of the features and or the user stories to get the accurate estimate, so we can deliver on time. We also learn about the business analysis history to understand business analysis in the detail. There was a founded IIBA in Toronto, Canada in October 2003 to support the business analysis community. The body of knowledge committee was formed in October 2004 to, the book, it's a guide kind of the document you can refer anytime. It's a kind of the book to understand the entire role of the detail of the do's and don'ts, responsibility of the business analysis. So the business analysis key point and the goal is to add the value and deliver value to the stakeholders. So business analysis determine the problems, manage, identify the business needs, the requirement, and manage the stakeholders to meet the business and the project.
So today I'm here to give you an overview of Monday's session. So on Monday we had discussed about the product backlog management. Before getting into the detail, I would like to give you an idea of what is a product backlog. Product backlog is nothing but it is a whole set of requirements that contribute towards the achievement of the entire project goal. So when I talk about the entire project goal here in Scrum, we a small piece of, that means small pieces of a bigger project is being released or delivered at the end of every sprint. So every sprint has got a specific goal that has to be achieved at the end of the sprint. Now based on this goal of the sprint, the requirements are being prioritized by the team, and they make sure that is completed at the end of the sprint.
Over. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.